Okay, so to develop our Java programs, we're going to install an IDE called Eclipse. For those of you who are not familiar with the Eclipse, you can go to the website by opening up a browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome. Type in Eclipse and go to the main link. Go to Downloads. And we can click on this link and we can look at the top link here, Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. It'd be good enough, and we can, depending on your distribution, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, or if you're using Linux, it should probably show up your system here if you're using a Linux system. In my case, I'm going to click the Windows 64-bit distribution, and I can click the link here, and that will start downloading. But as I have it already downloaded, I can cancel this, and I can bring it up and go to my downloads, and it's here. And we want to extract this. You can extract this to your C drive. And there's the folder there that's just been created. We're still waiting for the extraction to complete. Shouldn't take that long, a couple of moments. There we go. And then we can click in here and we can start up the Eclipse. And this version I think is 4.0, and they've codenamed it Juno. They've updated some features to which I'm not very familiar with, and we can choose our workspace, or you can change it to a different one if you wish. And if you don't wish to be prompted by this, by the next time you start it up, you can click the checkbox here and then click OK. It should take a couple of moments to set up the IDE. And then from here we can go File, New, and then we can go to Other, and we can go Java, and we can go New Java Project, and we can go Next. We'll call this My First Java App. And you can see that it's using the execution environment 1.7 that we installed. You can use the root folder for the class files and our source files, or you can separate them out, whichever you wish to do, depending on what kind of project you're doing. It might be easier to have them all in the one folder. You could use this. And we can go Next, and we can go Finish. And it might ask you, do you want to change the perspective to the Java perspective, because we're going to be developing Java applications, and you can click Yes. If it doesn't prompt up, never mind, just carry on. And from here we can create a new package from this icon here, and we can call this our test package, and go Finish. We can create our first test class inside of here, so we can go right click, go New, and then Class, give it the name with a capital letter, Test, and we can give it the main method to run the test class, and we can go Finish. get rid of any unnecessary comments that has been auto-generated in the to-do stub. And from here we can go sys out and hit control space. That will auto-complete, and then inside we can go hello world, and then go control S, that saves it, and then we can go run. And as you can see in the console window here, as is the same in the command line tool, it prints out hello world. Thank you for watching this tutorial.